All right, all right. What's going on, fellow vets? Brian Reese here, the VA Claims Insider, coming at you live from Austin, Texas. And in this short video, I am going to show you how to download your VA Certificate of Eligibility for a VA home loan in 5 simple steps. And the awesome thing is you can do this online from any laptop or desktop or mobile device anywhere in the world, and you can do it for free. Again, in 5 simple steps, right from eBenefits. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do in this quick tutorial is open up a web browser. Okay, I particularly like to use Google. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to type eBenefits in the top, and you can see there it comes right up here, VA eBenefits. All right, and so I'm going to navigate to the eBenefits homepage. Now, one thing you'll notice is on the screen, you'll see a few areas where there's a P in this little box. That means that you have to have an eBenefits premium account in order to get there. Okay, so I am going to log into my account, and I'll show you again exactly how this is done. So all I did was I clicked login, and now I'm simply going to log in with my DS username. And you'll see I just activated the login there. And now all I'm going to do is log in through my account. Again, these are things that you can set up in your own eBenefits profile and in your account for security and things like that. Okay. So again, I'm logging into my own eBenefits account right now. Now, a few things you're going to see and notice is across the left-hand side of the screen, if you need to make any updates, your personal information, who your representative is, this disabilities tab is always going to show you what your current disabilities are, whether they're service connected or not, and what they're rated for. Okay, it's also going to display and show your combined VA rating. You can update your dependents, you can view your documents. Most of the work in progress and historical claims and appeals, those things have migrated now to va.gov, okay, which I think is great. I think it's a much better system. It's very intuitive. But again, for purposes of getting your VA COE, your certificate of eligibility, which is essentially the basic price of admission, it's what kicks off your process of getting a VA home loan. And it's also the document that confirms your eligibility with your private lender. Okay, it's very important. So if you're seeking a private mortgage lender for your VA home loan, you need to give them or show them a copy of your VA certificate of eligibility. Okay, it's also known as your VA COE. Okay, now to get your VA COE, again, you got to have an eBenefits premium account. All you're going to do is hover over the apply. So you'll see in the top menu bar here, there's a button that says apply. And then you're going to scroll down to housing, and I'm going to left click housing. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down. This is the top of the screen. I'm going to scroll down to the housing section here, and I'm going to click this button that says Certificate of Eligibility for Home Loan. Okay, again, there's that little box for premium. You need an eBenefits premium account in order to do that. If you need an eBenefits premium account, go to the eBenefits homepage, click login, scroll to the bottom of the screen, and there's a section there where you can get your account upgraded. Okay, again, it's free to do that, simple. Okay, so again, I went to the housing tab here, and now I'm going to go over and I'm going to left click certificate of eligibility for a home loan. It tells you that you can get your certificate of eligibility. And once the screen comes up here, sometimes it's a little bit slow. I'll show you where to click next, as well as a couple hacks so that you can download your VA COE form in PDF format. So it usually takes a minute to find the application. Okay, so you'll see I'm already got one. I've already got it approved. It says, congratulations, your certificate of eligibility for VA home loan benefits has been issued. Use the following link to access and print the COE. And you can click this little link right here that says view your COE. If you need to update and correct your certificate or apply for restoration of entitlement. So for some reason, your VA COE form is wrong. If it's incorrect, if it says you've got no entitlement left, or your entitlement's 0, you can actually apply right here. You can also upload any requested documents. So if you're trying to fix what it says as far as your eligibility entitlement on your VA COE. That's what you use here when you click that link. Now I'm going to left click view your COE. Okay. Again, it typically takes a minute to download, but I mean, as you can see, right? This is my form. Now I can literally click in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I can hit print and I can save this as a PDF. Okay. It's all I'm going to do now is I'm going to save it as a PDF, and I'm going to call it literally like VA COE portal, right? And I can download it right to my desktop. Boom, it's done and it's there. Okay. Simple as that. That's it. That's how to download your VA COE form. Again, why is it important? Your certificate of eligibility form displays your service connected disability compensation amount per month. It will also list your code as to whether or not you have to pay the VA home loan funding fee, okay, which is crucial. If you're a service connected disabled veteran with a combined VA disability rating of 10% or higher, you are exempt from paying the VA home loan fee, okay, the home loan funding fee. That's a benefit of thousands of dollars. Okay, so make sure you take advantage of that, and send your VA COE form, download it in PDF right from eBenefits, and send it to your private mortgage lender. Okay, that's it. Super simple. Hope you enjoyed this presentation today. If there's anything I can do to help you, please just reach out and ask me. Okay. All right. Brian Reese, Air Force Service Disabled Veteran. I'm out from Austin, Texas, and we'll talk to you real soon.